Hey, so what's up, everybody? First, well, actually, it's my second mullet run trip. I did a quick one last weekend with Christina down to Matanzas Inlet, and just a quick one in the evening. But this morning went over to Surfside, and with the intent we're going to catch a sunrise. One, two, we're going to do a little fishing, a little mullet run fishing. So it was nothing. It was nothing but not uneventful. Let's put it that way. So, as you'll see in the video, we caught a couple of jack crevalle, and I put the second one out for shark bait, and it got hit. And it was very interesting because it got hit. I saw the rod go over. I was actually tying another rod up, trying to get it ready to go, and I saw the rod bend, and it made a nice run. I'm like, okay, well, it's hooked. I saw the rod straighten up, and then I saw it go back down. And I'm thinking, okay, well, that one's definitely hooked. So I'm getting my camera, got the camera like ready to roll, run down there. I go to pick it up, and I thought it had dropped it. And as you will see, it did anything but drop it. I think what it was doing was swimming toward me. And that's when the chaos began. A couple of things, if you're gonna catch shark off the beach, a couple of things you need to think about is have a plan on what's gonna happen with your short rods and the other rods you have out. Somebody needs to get those in. And even last week when Christina and I went, I said, hey, if the shark rod gets hit, run over and bring in the other two rods. I didn't tell anybody that. We got to talking to this couple from Missouri, and we didn't get any of that done. So Christina did a great job helping me, getting my shark dehooker, getting my scissors, helping hold the rod, when I was trying to get some things untangled. So she was a huge help, as was Tim and Angela from Springfield. So I thank you guys. Hope you had a great vacation. Thanks for hanging out with us this morning. But yeah, there was even a time that my rod got jerked out of my hand. I was trying to unhook the line, the short line that had gotten hung up in it, and it got jerked out of my hand, and I went diving in, to the sand. Have a nice, I don't know if you can see this. Let's see, I'll get it down there. But anyway, got a nice rug rash on the knee there, so that'll hurt for a little while. Reminds me when I play baseball. But yeah, I had to go diving in, try to make sure that thing didn't run off. Like, I was really glad the shark didn't take a run when that happened. That would have sucked. But no, it was complete chaos, and I made a lot of mistakes and ended up breaking the shark off. I had a hold of I kind of wrapped the braid around. I was trying to help Tim, help me pull it in. I should have just let him use the rod and do what I had instructed him to do. I got a little greedy and was trying to pull it in, by hand. Or I should have gotten up and grabbed the leader. I got, a 200-pound mono leader on there, 300 pounds, something like that. So I should have gone up and done that, made a mistake. But, and I'm hoping, I've only seen the footage on this little bitty screen. I'm hoping you see a couple of the jumps. The sun was like right, in our face, when this happened. But, it made 2 or 3 just ridiculous jumps and spins, and it was going bananas. It was really an amazing sight. But anyway, I was a complete clown show this morning. But again, thanks to Christina and Tim and Angela for helping me out. Because, yeah, I made lots of mistakes this morning. But, hey, it was fun and had a blast, and the mullet run is just now beginning. So it was pretty awesome. Anyway, enjoy the video.
All right, so we're out here for a little bit of mullet run action before it really gets going. Been seeing plenty of mullet in the surf, so that's been good. First cast, jack crevalle, 2 other hits that didn't stick, so should be a good day. Alright, what bit? Oh, this is a good fish. Good fish, whatever it is. Hey, you may want to watch out. Might get clotheslined if it runs that way. It's a good fish, whatever it is. It was pulling drag. Probably another jack. That's what it feels like. Oh yeah. They'll get that way. If that all of what chases them was chasing you, you'd be jumping too. Yeah, I think this is a jack. Good grief. Yeah, almost sure. Yeah, that thing hit like a freight train and it's running like crazy, and it's just staying down. Yeah, me too. Yep, jack. I think that guy might have to be shark bait. Yeah, I think he's going to be a shark bait. Yeah, I've caught some nice ones out here. I've caught them over 100 pounds.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I think it dropped it. Dropped it. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Just figured out it was hooked. Good gosh. Oh yeah. Hey, can you go get the hook de-hooker? It just figured out it was hooked when I picked it up. That's when it started jumping. I think he's hung in that line. Yeah, can you reel that in for me? Down there? Yeah, the first one, the little short one. Reel it quickly. Thank you. You may have a fish on.
Want me to do it?
Oh no, she's good. Just set it down. Oh wait.
Sure it got off?
Wait. Okay. No. Honey, hold the rock. No, I'm trying not to. I need scissors. Yeah, I'll go get them. Go get them. They're in my bag. They're in the front. They're where the pliers and stuff are.
Gotta get rid of mine too.
Yeah. Sir, can you come here a minute? Yeah. Here, just hold on to it for now. Alright, I'm gonna need you to lower it a little bit. Lower it. Lower it. Okay, alright, good. Hold it up now. Thank you. Yeah, just put it behind me. Woo, nothing like a little drama in the morning.
I got my work out.
Appreciate the vacation, bud.
Where y'all from?
Missouri.
Okay.
Springfield, Missouri.
This thing's almost on the beach. I need it to come down here. Yeah, there it is, way down there. Let me see if I can get it to swim out and come down this way. Hey, honey, somebody grab my D-hooker, and then I'll go get it. Okay. Close out in front of me. Now, sir, I'm gonna ask, just go ahead and put that down now.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you to hold on to the rod. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go out and grab it by the tail.
Okay.
But what you're gonna do is when you see a wave break, just walk straight back with it. Okay, you see a wave breaking like that,
Yeah.
you just walk back with it.
Okay.
I'll try to guide you, but it's right out in front of me. Oh, this thing's heavy.
Yeah, it's pretty good size.
Oh, I got cut up diving.
Yeah, that was right on it.
I was trying to get it unhooked, like before I cut it. Oh, there it is, right over there. To my right. Come on, baby. Trying to draw her in. Man, she's fighting hard. Oh, she's not done. Good gosh. Man, I love the acrobatics. That was incredible. Yeah. Hopefully my battery doesn't run out. Work. Oh, come on. You can see the mullet jumping because she's coming through there. Yeah. All right, grab my D-hooker again, sir.
Tim.
Huh?
Tim.
Tim, I'm Jim.
Hey, Jim.
And I'm Angela.
Hey, Angela. Yeah, I knew it. It's funny. It made a run, and then I thought it dropped it, but it just ran toward me. It didn't even know it was hooked right away.
Wow.
It was pretty incredible.
What
Once it figured out it was hooked, it was like, I don't like this. There we go. Dang, she's strong. Come on, baby. She's just to my left. She's swimming left, so you may be able to get a good picture. Whew, I'm tired now. Come on, baby. Oh, don't run. There she is. Whew. All right. Good gosh. This is probably the best shark fight I've had. Yeah, it is a good one. Alright, I'm probably going to have to go get it here.
So every time the wave breaks, it takes you a step back
Yeah.
and crank it?
No, don't crank.
No, don't crank it. Take a
Just
step
walk
back.
straight back.
Okay.
I need her to chill out just a little more. Alright, I'm gonna give it to you. She's pretty shallow.
Between the legs.
Yeah, probably. Okay, come on back. Ah, it broke. Yeah. Whew.
That was cool. You might be interested again.
I usually like to try to get the hook out of it though. That hook was pretty rusted. Yeah. Yeah. There wasn't much where it popped. Jeez.
Some kind of beautiful gray shark.
It was a black tip. I know it was a black tip just by judging how it was fighting. They jump like that. No, the line broke. This is 80-pound braid. 80 pounds. It broke it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Good gosh.
Oh yeah, it broke. Wait, out of the water.
Alright. Whew, man. That's pretty awesome though. Oh, and I got it all on video.